Alright guys, here's the other video I promised I'll make you after the first Dyson I got, which was the EMO8 pedestal fan. Here we have a Dyson air purifier fan. I just call it a tower fan. It's not actually a tower fan, but I call it a tower fan because of the shape of it, but it's not actually a tower fan. Yes, this one also has 10 speeds, a timer, and a remote control. It also has a nighttime setting, and it also has a heater setting. So this is actually a fan and a heater in one. The blue is for the fan and the red is for the heater. Also, there's a special app you can get for this fan on your phone or iPad or whatever. It could actually control this fan for you. So yeah. We also have this button here, like I showed you before, where it can switch the way it blows the air out. It can blow it out the front way, and then it can switch and blow it out the back way as well. So yeah, really good fan. So now I'm going to start up on low. Oh wait, no, I'll show you the design of it. Here's the remote anyway. The back of it. Very nice. So now I'm going to go up to the fan and turn it around so I can show you the side and back. So here is the front of it. Now I'll show you the side. That on camera on the side. Yep, perfect. There's the side of it. Now I'll show you the back. And here we have the back. Very nice fan. Now I'll turn it to the front again. Also guys, you can also adjust it so it goes pointing down like that. You can have it straight and then you can also have it pointing back as well. I have it. Where do I? There we go. I don't know if you saw that, if I was in the way or not. I'm not really sure, but you can adjust the fan as well, it's adjustable. Where did I put the remote control that? Now I'm going to turn it on for you without oscillation. Hopefully. Oh, it's on its maximum. Hang on guys, I'm going to have to turn it down. It was actually on its maximum speed, guys. I forgot. The last time I used this fan is when we had that really big heat wave. Well, I had a really big heat wave back in the summer, and that's the last time I used this fan. I forgot it was on maximum power. So yeah, this is speed 1. Let's do speed 2. It's even more quieter than the other Dyson I got, which is the EMO8. Very quiet. Let's do speed 3. Speed 4. It's getting slightly louder. Not much in it though. Speed 5. Now we're at halfway. Speed 6. Speed 7. Speed 8. Speed 9. And speed 10. That's speed 1 with oscillation. This one has a big oscillation pattern. Also, you can also change the amount of oscillation you have. I'll have it at full. There we go, guys.
15 minutes, Kate, then we'll be ready.
Okay. Yeah, this fan has a massive oscillation pattern, guys. You can also change the amount of oscillation you want. You can make it so it does a small oscillation. And you can make it so it does a really big oscillation. Let's do speed 2. The oscillation on this is massive. Let's do the next speed, speed 3. Does it actually go all the way around? Oh, I see why. The Dyson logo is supposed to be in the middle and it's not on here. I see why it's doing it. There we go. Let's do the next speed, which is speed 4. Speed 5. Now it's at halfway again. Speed 6, you won't be able to see it though because it's on oscillation. Speed 7. Yes, the oscillation on this is massive. Here we have the next speed. What's the next speed? Speed 8. Here's speed 9. Now here's the maximum speed, speed 10. Yeah, there we go. Quite a strong fan actually, I can feel it from here. I'll wait for it to go back to the mill and then I'll send to it. Right, now I'll send to it. And now I'll turn it off. Oh yeah, it has LED there button. So I'll go ahead and turn it off. So there we go then guys. That's gonna be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. As always, I'll see you in the next video. And bye for now.